I loved working with kids. I liked being able to give those kids the extra help that they needed. And in my current role as the transition teacher, I love getting the kids out working in the environments and in businesses within our community and seeing them strive and looking forward to going to work every day. So as the transition teacher, I've created 10 work-based learning partnerships with businesses in our community. And my students go out 2.5 days a week for an hour at each business. And they're learning hands-on experiences in restaurants, in car dealerships, in senior centers, helping prepare meals, cleaning vehicles. It gives them the opportunity to experience things hands-on outside the classroom, not paper pencil. We can talk about cleaning and practice all day long, but when they're in a workspace and they're actually seeing it, getting to greet customers, talk to people in the workplace, it's just a whole nother experience for them. I had several students come back to school and ask me to help them get a job in their workplace that they're at. So that was really rewarding in seeing the kids feel like they were a part of something and enjoy going to work. It's rewarding every day. Take some dual enrollment classes in high school, work with your counselor, figure out what classes you need, and get in the classroom, start working in there and getting those experiences firsthand.